So I used to pay someone to cut my grass for me, and I was like, you know what? All this money that I'm paying to this guy, I could be saving to buy a lawnmower. So I actually found a pretty cheap lawnmower that has worked out well, and I'm just going to show you really quick how to start it in case that's what you're scared of. It's very easy to use. I did have to buy a good power cord, a heavy duty. The lawnmower is probably one of the cheapest ones you can find on Amazon. Okay, so my power cord, I'm gonna connect it to here. I don't even know if you can see this. Hopefully you can. Okay, to start the mower, you will push this button down and squeeze this lever. You can let go of the button now while holding on to the handle. I usually lift up the mower a little bit so it's a little bit easier to push, to give it that first push. And then whenever you want to stop, you can just let go of the handle and the machine will turn off. So here comes Eli wanting to be helpful. Look at him. He's so cute, wanting to help me all the time. Oh, this one first. Press this first, hold it down, and then do this part. Oh, he did it. Oh, look at him. So pushing the button in and pulling the lever. So as you are mowing your lawn, your bag will get full, so you'll have to empty it out. And I'll show you in a minute how to put it back in. So we're trying to put the bag back in. We're just gonna lift this up and clean up any grass that's in between.
5,
and then just
6,
attach this.
7, 8, 9.
That's it.
10.
That's it.
1, 2.
So my grass is done. There are areas that need reseeding, but the grass is cut. Now I need to deal with all of that crap.